Hello Facebook people, I'm Konstantinos and today we're going to analyze how the ad accounts are looking when they are ready to scale during the Black Friday period. It's going to be a video that is mostly going to be on my PC, showing you some different ad accounts and how I feel like if they're ready or not, but some theory before that. So the whole year you have been preparing for Black Friday, you have been doing campaigns, you have been doing evergreen campaigns. I have my video about Black Friday that you should watch on how you should treat it and everything. The most important thing though is this, that you need to understand that your evergreen campaigns are your great assets that you're building the whole year, and the more data they have, the better it is. And that you can also test all the creatives that you're going to use during the Black Friday. For example, in all of the year you have been doing evergreen ads and you have been having some successes with some creatives. You can take all of these creatives and you can make them Black Friday ads by adding a banner or adding an initial video at the start or adding a message, something that's going to indicate that it's a BFCM ad, that it's actually for the promo. Now, we will go into my PC. I'm going to show you some ad accounts and how they're showing that they're ready to scale during Black Friday. And I'm going to show you some other ad accounts that are even better positioned because they have more campaigns, evergreen campaigns, which are healthy, and they also have cost caps on them. And I will see you there. Hi guys, I would like to interrupt this video in order to talk to you about my new mentorship programs, and I would love if you go to the website. You're going to find the link in the description, or you can find it in the menu of my website, and over there you're going to be able to see the different mentorship programs that I have. You can find the one that is going to fit better your needs, and I will hope to see you there. So let me take you through some ad accounts that they are actually ready to pop, and let me tell you why. So here we are having an ad account that from the 1st of July since the 5th of November that we are running now, it's having 100k spent, 5.58. But I want you to see the interval months. So if we go over here on August, we're going to see that it has 7.63. August was a very good month. The ROAS that we see there, it's not the real ROAS. Let's go on September, which was a little bit more stressful month. So we have 26 over there. We are doing 30k, 5.47, okay, and on October, of course, we have a little bit less results because of elections, 4.49 with 36k. Still, the break-even ROAS of this ad account is on 2. We are not scaling because of stock and because of fear of the owner, but we are going to overcome this. But for sure, this is another account which is ready to pop. It can go and it can spend a lot during Black Friday. What have we done on our part? All of these campaigns that were needed so that we can have evergreen campaigns ready, and we're now on the process of making all of the Black Friday campaigns so that they can start, be scaled, but these campaigns are going to be, and they're going to exit the Black Friday period even stronger. Let's go to another account. This one, a little bit more advanced. We have 1.85 ROAS. We don't like to operate with that. We like to have 2 ROAS plus. On June, we are trying to maintain a high spend over here, okay? 3.1 million. Let's go on July. On July, we have, again, close to 1.8, 3.2 million. Why? Because we're trying to hold our position. On bigger ad accounts, it's very important to maintain your position. Why? Because you're going to make all of this money on Black Friday. And a lot of times people don't believe me, but you're going to believe me now. Because if we go here on August, we're going to see that we are still spending, sorry, but it's a big ad account, it's taking some time. My video editor is going to cut all of this. 1.833 million. We are still maintaining our position. Again, we would love to be on 2 ROAS as we have been on 2 ROAS in the previous months. For example, if we go, let's go on April, for example. How much did we have? On April, for example, we were spending even more. We were having close to 1.87. Okay, so if we go now to September, we're going to see what we are doing if we are maintaining the position. 2.8 with 2 ROAS, okay? So we're getting two ROAS, we're seeing where we can get 2 ROAS actually. And then here, we started the Black Friday as an early access thing. So we do have 4 ROAS with 3.3 million. Even if in this ad account with 1.8 ROAS, we're not losing money, okay? Even if we were losing money, not a lot, but let's say we were breaking even. Does it worth it so that we can go in a crazy month like this month right now, that so far we have been spending almost 500,000 with 4 ROAS. So imagine having 2 months or 3 months with 4 ROAS with this kind of spend. Of course, you're going to be compensated also for the other months. Why? Because you maintained your position. But I get it. For some of you, it's difficult to understand it if you don't live it and stuff, because even if you see a video of mine, then it's not a knowledge yet that you have conquered, okay? Even if I tell you about working with multiple campaigns, if you're going to work with one and you're going to fail, and then you're going to do the multiple ones, then you're going to believe actually, and then it's going to be a conquered knowledge for you. And here it's bigger spends, but for sure it's what I was telling to you, that for these periods that they are going to be tough and all of that, you need to maintain your position, your spend, because you're going to be compensated on the period of Black Friday. Let's go to others. Okay, let's go to this one. Let's see, on July, 5.5, 300k spent. Okay, on August, we are having 4.9, 300k spent. Okay, I think on September we're dropping a little bit because of stocks. Yeah, 4.64, 287. Again, break-even ROAS here it's 3.5, but it doesn't matter, because even with 3.5 I was going to spend this amount of money because I want to maintain my position. I want to do $500,000 spent over here with Black Friday. If we go on October, we just see 4.66 with 278, almost 280. My goal was to be on 300. I couldn't do it. So in this month so far, let's see what we have. 4.77, 58k. So we haven't started Black Friday ads yet here. We're going to start in 6. So in 3 days, we're going to start our early access Black Friday ads, and this account is going to be ready and skyrocketed because of all the work that was being done here with multiple campaigns that are ready now to take all of this data, but also with all of the Black Friday ads that we're going to do. Let's go to the last one, which is for me right now my best positioned ad account for Black Friday. Another ad account operates with 2 ROAS plus for profits, 1.8 is our break even. Again, here we're working with many campaigns. It's an apparel brand, okay? So we have many campaigns. And here, if we see the previous months, let's see the scaling that was done here. So let's go again on June. On June, let's see what we had. 2 ROAS just with 100k spent. Let's go on July. Sorry, but these are big accounts, are taking some time. 158k, 2.35. Let's go on August. 2.94, 237k. And let's move to September. We have 2.55, 274k spent. Let's go on October. I think we're positioning ourselves. So basically we're scaling, building campaigns, 240, a little bit less. United States elections actually affected us here. But what I'm trying to say is that I have all of these campaigns. I haven't closed campaigns. I might have lowered budgets on some because it's advanced plus in the way that I treat them, but I also have my bid caps, okay? Bid caps which are ready to go. I haven't scaled them. They are running on 100. All of them are proven, and I'm really ready to go immediately and just start increasing like crazy the budgets during Black Friday. So here I'm having cost caps that are actually working and they are proven all of these months. And I'm also having different campaigns over here as evergreens along with the Black Friday ads that I'm going to do. Just because you're going to ask on the comments, why am I not scaling my cost caps since I'm seeing that they're working? Because I have noticed that they're cannibalizing my other campaigns. So I'm trying to keep a mix between my evergreen campaigns and my cost cap campaigns. Basically, here's another account that cost caps are working really well. So what I'm doing is when I'm having an evergreen campaign which is working, I'm taking all of these creatives and I'm putting them in a cost cap campaign also with a very small budget. And when the time comes like Black Friday or other periods that they're promo periods, I can just increase like raise the budgets, which is going to help me. If I was going to spend, let's say 500k, now I'm going to spend 700k because of that, because of the aggressive thing that I can do. Because I don't care about the health of the cost caps, because the next day I can take them to 100. I don't care. They're not going to be ruined. It's a bid cap campaign. And I don't care about the health of the campaigns of the Black Friday, because I'm going to scale them like crazy and then close them after Cyber Monday. We haven't started yet Black Friday ads here. We're starting in almost 2 weeks. They're not running much earlier than Black Friday. It's their branding. Totally respected. That's all I had. This is how other accounts that they are ready to pop, they're looking, how you scale them before and all of that. Of course, this video is going to be useful for you for the next year, but even like this, I think it's valuable information for you to see how they do look. I will see you for the closing of the video. So this is how a super healthy ad account looks. If your ad account is a little bit worse and stuff, this doesn't mean that you cannot make money during the Black Friday. And don't get disappointed. Of course, you're going to have some good results. But now that you have seen these ad accounts, you know how you should structure your ad accounts and how you should have them ready for the Black Friday period so that you can scale a lot and you can have a bigger threshold for the next year so that you can be considered a bigger spending ad account. So follow all the strategies, and if you want to learn more about Facebook ads, you can check my book, my course, my website. You can also check my mentorship programs, the Inner Circle, the Chosen 5, and you can see over there all the testimonials below from the people that they have completed them. And until we meet again, guys, be creative and be consistent.